boom.
Add more booms. That's what I like. Just shoot mortars off all night long. I'd be happy.
Like I said, 2 birdies and a boom.
Yeah, it's a big
2
boom.
birdies and a boom.
Yeah. There was 2 separate ones. There were the ones like he got, the same guy here tonight.
There we go. Oh my goodness, look at that.
There it is. Grand finale.
That ain't our grand finale. That's kind of weak. Kind of weak for a grand finale.
Yeah, that was. Oh man, they have a set over there.
No, I don't think they're quite done yet.
Hey, did you get the video camera out?
Yeah, I'm video right now.
Oh.
I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Everything's going like everywhere. I can't get it all. It's like high and low and high and low.
Why are these illegal?
Fire hazard.
Ohio was set off a lot. Gotta go to Michigan.
Woo!
You ain't gotta go to Michigan to buy that shit. That's straight up gunpowder right there.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna have to make me one of them.
Yeah.
It's like every 5 minutes.
Yep. Like old Betsy. Fremont Library. Big old cannon.
We're gonna find out